If your brand is still not on YouTube, we need to talk. Gone are the days when YouTube was just a playground for Vivo music videos and backyard trick shots. Today, it's where smart brands, hopefully like yours, are sharing valuable knowledge from financial strategies to cybersecurity tips. Just like our clients who collectively have published thousands of videos in the last year, gaining millions of views, subscribers, and sales. All right, let's start with the giraffe in the room. YouTube draws in over 2 billion monthly users from every corner of the world, offering incredible access to, well, almost everyone. It's also the second most used search engine behind Google, but you knew that. This huge user base spans all interests and age groups, making it the perfect platform to find new audiences. And look, I could hit you with all kinds of cool stats and graphics to further this point, but the bottom line is, no matter how specialized your brand might be, trust us, there's an audience on YouTube waiting for you.
But Daniel, can't I just reach these new audiences in other platforms too?
You could, but YouTube is unique. Its longer videos offer deeper engagement with viewers and have a much longer lifespan, meaning your content keeps working for you long after it's posted. And let's double back on that second most used search engine point. That means when people are looking for products or they want to learn about something, they're coming to YouTube, so you better be there. And if you do choose to be there and you start to show up for search terms that matter in your industry, that will build trust with viewers. Think about it. Google is basically saying for you, hey, check out these guys. They know what they're talking about. Kind of like how we show up on the front page of Google for YouTube marketing agency. No big deal. But I mean, Google is basically vouching for us. So you might want to hit those like and subscribe buttons for more expertise on this stuff. Just throwing it out there. All right, back to it. But let's stay in the note of expertise for a sec, and let's chat about what really sets YouTube apart as a platform that builds trust. It's the perfect stage for giving value to your audience and showcasing your expertise. When you show up week after week, serving up value-packed videos with a little dash of pizzazz that only your brand knows how to do, that will build up an epic amount of credibility, goodwill, and trust. Now, one more quick little bit about building trust. YouTube is video first, and not only that, it champions longer videos like no other platform. These longer videos mean more time spent with viewers. And you know how when you spend more time with someone, you eventually start to trust them more? Yeah, same effect here. Now let's zoom out. We've found new audiences, they trust us. So what's the final lever businesses can pull here? This is where YouTube really flexes its muscles. We're talking about converting viewers into paying customers. And the kicker? This one takes care of itself if you've nailed the first two steps of finding new audiences and building trust. Think about it. If you're consistently putting out great content that educates and entertains, you will reach your audience and far beyond. The more the viewers see you showing up, delivering the goods, means you will continue to build up trust and goodwill. Then, just sprinkle in your clear calls to action and guide your audience on exactly when and where you want them to go. That could be signing up to an email list, it could be purchasing a product, or filling out a lead form. What that looks like is up to you. So seriously, if your brand isn't on YouTube yet, what's holding you back? We've just shown you how YouTube offers incredible opportunities to find new audiences, build trust at scale, and convert viewers into loyal customers. The next move is yours. And hey, we can help with that too. We offer tailored strategies to help brands succeed on YouTube. Consider this my formal call to action, because I've got to do what I say, right? Let's convert those viewers into customers, starting with you.